crypto mining with stocks with the upside ahead. So for you that you want to invest in something, you can see on this video the crypto mining stocks that you can be invest more. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy. Have a nice day. These crypto mining stocks are expanding their Bitcoin mining capacity for future gains. Investor interest in crypto mining stocks rekindled this year as Bitcoin price surged past like $20,000. Bitcoin price are up a massive 74% in the past 2 months and have been on the upswing for the better part of this year. The increase in Bitcoin price complemented the prices of the product related to the industry. Sectors benefiting from the heightened investor enthusiasm included semiconductor, online payment system, and brokerage company. With a massive uptick in crypto price, investors are looking at the best crypto mining stocks to buy with the best upside potential. For those who don't know, cryptocurrency are essentially digital currency where every transaction is transparent, verified, and maintained in a public ledger. Bitcoin in the industry benchmark has been rising again after its debacle in 2017. The pleasant jolt in the price comes at a great time where investors are looking to secure their investment as much as possible. Let's now look at some of the best crypto mining stocks which will carry their momentum next year. So let's start it. Marathon Patent Group is North America's largest Bitcoin self-mining company. The company was previously an uranium exploration real estate business before making waves in the world's cryptocurrency. It gained a lot of momentum due to rising the Bitcoin prices and positive investor sentiment in the industry. Hence, Mara stocks to 12 months return are at mind-blowing like 1,361%. So amazing, right? The company recently reported its third quarterly result with an 89% growth in revenue. Moreover, its loss per share was 28 cents and continued to narrow with its passing quarter. With its recent mining rate purchase, the company expects to have a 1,100% increase in capacity by the second quarter next year. Additionally, it has $27.1 million in cash and zero long-term debt, making it financially robust. Riot the Blockchain provides mining hardware services for blockchain network and receives cryptocurrency in return. It primarily focuses on Bitcoin but has other significant cryptocurrency to its name. Moreover, it has its investment in a few blockchain technology companies. The favorable Bitcoin price environment led to Riot stocks like gaining 950%. In the past year, the company significantly beefed up its mining capacity. It is relocating its mining operation from the Oklahoma City to Massena, New York, to improve margins and limit costs. Sales and administrative expense have been a concern and will be a focal point in expanding its margin. The company is funding the new miner purchase through its organic resources. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye everyone.